Hi guys, this is Carrie from The Creative Accent. This video will take you inside the Castella marketing bundle, which includes 4 different Canva templates and 6 Flowdesk email templates. And I'm going to show you what those look like right now. This is really a light and airy design that's made for wedding professionals. So planners, photographers, florists, really for the wedding industry. It's very portfolio focused. You can see all the different layouts here for the Instagram post size. So that's 1080 by 1350. We've got several for different types of carousels, highlighting about you, about your team, highlighting your freebie. We've even got one for your current inspiration if you want to share that with your audience. Likewise, we also have the taller 1080 by 1920 size, which is perfect for sharing in your stories, in reels. You can also save these as Pinterest pins. If you've followed me for a while, you know I'm a big fan of Pinterest marketing as well, so these can kind of double for that. And again, these Canva templates are made for a free or a pro account, so you can easily add these to your account and kind of plug and play and customize them for your brand. There is an instruction guide included with purchase where you'll find a link to a longer video that will really go in depth on how to edit them if you have questions about editing inside of Canva. In addition to the Instagram templates, we also have 10 announcement banner designs, and these are really perfect for weaving into your email marketing or using on Facebook or LinkedIn. And finally, to round out the Canva templates, we also have a 30-page media kit template. Let me just give you an overview of that. This design is really perfect for elevating that client experience. So creating beautiful welcome guides, custom proposals, or any type of presentation that you would need to share with your audience. You have a few different cover designs here, a table of contents, outline your services, showcasing your portfolio, timeline, frequently asked questions, just everything that you might need to build a beautiful presentation to share with your audience. And finally, the bundle also includes 6 Flowdesk email templates. As you know, Flowdesk is my go-to for all things email marketing, so these templates are really designed to help you easily plug and play and continue to reach out and nurture your audience. Definitely save you time in terms of designing your emails. I know that can be quite time consuming. So there are 6 different designs. One is really for your portfolio, so to highlight a case study or showcase a project. Another is geared towards a general newsletter. The other to highlight your services. Then we also have one that is specific to outlining your process or experience, and this would be a good one to kind of use within a longer welcome sequence. We have one for delivering a lead magnet, as well as showcasing a new blog or sharing resources with your audience. And let's just have a look at one of these emails. This is the email for outlining your process or experience. And these different canvases can easily be customized for your brand. You can just click select, change the photo. Sometimes you can change the frame styles here. You can change the font style or color, and just duplicate or delete any sections as needed. If you need more of a section, you can duplicate it with this button, or you can always remove a section that you don't need for this particular email. My hope is that these templates will really save you time and sanity when it comes to marketing your business.